The main aim of this video is to understand that how growth expansion of ecosystem of AI throughout the country. So the reason behind this to make a video is if we see that last few days AI summit have taken place in India, and we have came across the AI, and we all understood how AI is beneficial for us, but what is a strategy, what is an opportunity, what is a global recognition for India in terms of AI. So in this video we will be just learning and understanding the AI. So first point is, if we see that India is rapidly building or expanding the AI in India across the ecosystem, which if I give you the stat, so around 1,89,000 startup which has used the 89% of the AI, which sum up that operations, sales, services, AI is been a part of this, which also shows that AI is playing a major role in terms of delivering services. And if you see that over 500 global centric focus AI centers, which means that कि इतने सारे centers हैं, इतने सारे infrastructures बनाए गए हैं to maintain this AI. And AI is also creating a job in IT sectors, in technology, and also delivering a major part in engineering sector. So if we see that AI is becoming a necessity in the food, shelter, clothing, and AI. So if we see this four things is definitely a part of the lifestyle right now. And what are the initiative taken by the government? Because summit abhi hua, and if we see the success of the summit, so we got to know that AI is also uh, getting used by the China, which is a major part of this entire news. The people are protesting, and if we keep this aside, so what are the initiative taken by the government? So पहला initiative है कि India AI Mission, which have the budget of 10,300 crore, which is a huge budget, and the primary focus of this budget is infrastructure, talent, and research. Infrastructure means to make sure that there is not an infrastructure gap between people and the resource. Second thing is talent, as many talented people are engaged in this AI, so making sure that everyone has a basic understanding and in the momentum to learn the professional things in AI. So if you see, the third thing is research, because as India has a demographic and linguistic and diversity in India, so understanding in the research everything is needed at the extreme level, because if the data is unavailable, so how the available data or the outdated data can be used by the people for research purpose. If we see all these factors, initiative and the current AI, definitely India has been a top 3